In a remarkable act of civic responsibility, Gurugram witnessed a massive cleanliness drive that brought together not only local residents but also foreign nationals living in the city. This unique collaboration transformed ordinary citizens into volunteers who worked shoulder to shoulder to clean roads, streets, and clogged drains, addressing long-standing problems of waterlogging and sanitation. Armed with brooms, gloves, and tools, the participants came forward with a shared mission to make Gurugram cleaner, safer, and healthier. From clearing garbage to removing blockages in drains, their effort was more than just an act of cleanliness, it was a powerful demonstration of community spirit and social responsibility. The initiative reflects the broader vision of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, emphasizing that true change begins at the grassroots level. What makes this campaign extraordinary is the participation of foreign nationals, who showcased their commitment to their adopted city by joining hands with locals. Their involvement highlighted the spirit of global citizenship, proving that the responsibility of maintaining a clean environment belongs to everyone. As Gurugram continues to evolve into a global city, this drive sets an inspiring example of how collective action can overcome urban challenges. It sends out a strong message: when communities unite, they can transform their surroundings and create a model for others to follow. Stay tuned for exclusive visuals and reactions from participants, only on our channel.
And I live in India since like 9 years, and in Gurgaon since 2 years. And basically, India is amazing. I love this country. It's very nice. But I find it very sad that sometimes there is a lot of garbage everywhere. And one day I saw Lazar like picking up trashes and posting video, and I was like, yeah, this is so cool. You know, we should do it also. It's our trashes, and we have the responsibility of our trashes. So just go on the streets and let's clean it also. So we got inspired by him, and now we are doing it, and it's great.
A short message you want to give to Gurugram's people?
Yeah, of course, like मेरा India बहुत सुंदर है, लेकिन ये मलबा अच्छा नहीं है. So मेरा मलबा मेरा responsibility है.
Sir, this idea came because if you can see, this land is beautiful. India is amazing. But the only problem is people need to take care of something that's also outside of the house. So Indian people are one of the cleanest people on the planet. Everybody takes care of themselves. They take care of their homes. But the moment it comes out to something that's outside, they think it's not their issue. So we have to change that. So I'm not inviting people to go around cleaning Delhi and everything. Just clean outside your house. 2 meters, that's enough. So everybody needs to take this kind of responsibility.
When you start this campaign?
I started cleaning, I did small cleanup since I came to India in 2018. But campaign, if you can call it, I started only 10 days ago. I was doing small cleanups all around India. I was doing them in Tamil Nadu. I was doing them in Bangalore, Rishikesh. So wherever I went, I did small cleanups. But organized like this was not even planned. This only 10 days ago.
You are in job?
Sorry?
You are in job?
No, sir. No, I'm doing yoga. I'm doing psychotherapies with people. I'm for different purpose now.
A short message you want to give to people of Gurugram?
सभी को अपने घर या दुकान के सामने 2 मीटर की दूर साफ रखना चाहिए. बस इतना कर सकते हैं आपका देश के लिए. बस.
Positive message, Lata. It's only positive message.
Good idea to place it behind the car.
So nice.